Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 11th of June 2024. It's 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Right now I'm in a live trade again on ES. And after this turmoil shakeout or the spring action here that I closed on my last trade, when we came back up here to Camarilla S4 at 53.50, I entered again because the spring action is looking strong. This is potentially another, well, not another, but a big squeeze here. There's a lot of orders up here, so we could potentially get back to Camarilla S3 and even yesterday's close. So I only took one micro. Actually, wait. Wait a second. All right, this one here isn't 1 micro. Damn. All right. So I forgot to make an adjustment here because this is my second trade. So I was making an adjustment here to just take 1 micro. But
Stop
now,
filled.
yeah, I had to stop out there because that was the wrong sizing. So I'll just
Order
close this trade
filled.
right here. So as we pull back here, that was a mistake I made there. That was too much risk I took. That was another 10 contracts. And I forgot to change this one over here to, where is it? 1 micro, right? So I was just risking a little bit from the profits that I had. So that would have been like maybe like a $45
Buy
loss
stock
if it
exhausting
came back to
NQ.
my stop, my 4-point stop. But I left this one on here as 10. This is my 300K account. And this one here, let's see. Wait, just now, just
Buy stock
yeah.
exhausting NQ.
All right, so you can see the difference there. That was 496.25. This one took it up to 4250. So that was
Buyer
my
sweep
bad right
NQ.
there. So now that I messed up that, I had to just close the trade immediately. So this paper trade is still holding on. The stop is at 53.75, and yeah, I don't think I'll re-enter right now because of that mistake right there. I won't re-enter. So this would be the
Buy
profit
stock
on the day
NQ.
on these evals, and I could actually take the 1 micro right now, but I won't push it anymore because I made that mistake right there, I won't push it anymore. So I was gonna do a nice little live trade video. Probably this will hold on here to push up to Camarilla S3, which is 53.61. Let me just open this up so you can see this a little better. See right here. So that's the first target right there, Camarilla S3, my golden pivot zone with the pivot level right here, central pivot. I think it's gonna get up to there as well. So switching over to the bookmap view, I think I adjusted my mic properly, so you should be still hearing me. There's a lot of liquidity up here, 53.61, which is the central pivot area, and the golden pivot zone up here. Let me just hold on. So this area right here, this is my first target. So the paper trade is still on, but don't really want to jump in again on the apex side. We have nice liquidity here supporting price action. As you can see, we had some this was an iceberg buyer right here, so they are supporting price. Yeah, and we're looking like we're gonna take on this
Buy
liquidity
stock
here.
NQ.
right? Some of them are pulling, some of them are getting heavier. Right here at 53, 59, they're getting heavier right there. So we're gonna have to have some serious buying pressure going up into this level right here to take on those passive orders. Right, so let's see if we could get through this level right here. And again, this is let me just point out this guy's YouTube channel. This is Think with Bookmap. So I said before think or swim, but that was I don't know, I was thinking about the trading platform, but his name is Think with Bookmap. So if you want like a free Bookmap live feed, it has like a couple seconds delay because it's being streamed. So Think with Bookmap is the name of the channel. And this nice consolidation underneath here, good buying coming in, no major selling coming in right there. This level right here is support. We have a nice liquidity right there. You see that guy right there? He's propping up if we do break that this low right here. All right. So if we do break this low right here, he's gonna prop that price up. Right, we're getting the volume coming in to take on this heavy liquidity right here, and that'll take us into our golden pivot zone. See if we switch back over here to trading view. Let me just pull this around. Right. Let me just pull this further out so you can see the labeling on this. Right, so I have that labeled as my golden pivot zone. Right, so this area right here. And you can actually see too that we're going to run into this first upper deviation resistance right there. So VWAP is calling up, but this one hasn't really started calling up as yet. We have to approach that and put some volume towards this area here. As I showed you on Bookmap, that's where all the liquidity is. So we got to get some
By
volume
stop
just like
NQ.
this.
By stop
But the volume
exhausting
here
NQ.
isn't really that great. So let's see what we do up here at these levels, these previous sell-off levels. VWAP is no longer there to assist in the rejection. So let's see if we're going to get that push off. VWAP is now down here where it's assisting this breakout at Camarilla S4, 53, 50, 75. So we got that nice curve. Buyers came in right there. And now we have to attack this heavy liquidity area at the golden pivot zone. I wish I didn't have to close my trade. This could have been a nice trade, but was the wrong risk management right there. So I had to close that off. But on the paper trade side, so that's why I still have this live open. But seeing that it's paper trading, I just wanted to
Stop
hit this
ES buy.
target right here, and
Stop
then I'll
ES
probably
buy.
close it. So let me just put it right there, the central pivot. Make this bigger. And let's see us hit a target. Gonna trail my stop up a little more. Let me see here. From up 6 points, it's gonna bring me up to
Stop ES buy.
right. So that brought me up to 53, 53.75. And from there, let's see if we get another 6 points. It's supposed to trail me up again. All right, so we'll probably hit my target before that. I'm just thinking out loud. This is how my trailing stop is kind of set up on NinjaTrader. So let's see. Running into liquidity here, we're getting some rejection. Let me switch over to bookmap so you can see that. So this liquidity here is remaining in the book. I think they're gonna get taken out, but we have an iceberg executing here. 100 contracts, and he's a seller right there. So we gotta squeeze him and get to this order right here. So he's front running. I think his order here at 53.62, I think is the same guy. He's just front running here and selling before we get to that liquidity. So with that price action, let me see, I'll just trail my stop up even more to come up to this level right here. 53.59. We're currently at 53.60. So we'll pull that back to 53.58, 25, and that's good. Give it 2 points room to try and get to this target here of 53.61.75, which is the central pivot. All right, just look at bookmap here, see how this guy is executing right there. And if we do get a breakdown here of 53.59, I might just take it off. Right, so he's still executing. Sell orders, absorbing all the buyers right there. But it's looking like we want to push up to 53.62, or at least tap that central pivot. You can see the little selling coming in here, caused by this guy who's doing the
Buy stop exhausting
iceberg
NQ.
sell. But I think he's gonna get squeezed. There's a lot of buying pressure, passive orders underneath here, limit orders, supporting price. So all these buyers are looking to come out here at 53.59 possibly. All right, looking like the squeeze is going to materialize now.
Iceberg ES sell.
All right, so we up to 175 on the sell iceberg. But we're definitely going to squeeze this guy. I think we're going to squeeze him. I think he's just taking profit. I don't think he's trying to really cap price. He's just taking profit at this level at 53.60, 50.75, somewhere around there. Or 53.61, somewhere around there. And he's going to be all out at 53.62, I guess. So he could actually be the buyer from this level here, from 53.50. All these buyers right here. He could have stepped in at that level and taken his 10-point move, you know. Possibly even came in from this level here. So that would be, let's see, he's making a
Stop ES buy. Buy stop
roughly
NQ.
25-point move. So that was a great trade on his part. And you can see on bookmap here, it's getting squeezed or taking profit. Who knows? I'm kind of thinking he's taking profit though. It's not like he's trying to cap down price. I don't think so. And I'm almost at my take profit here. Let's open this up and take profit hit. All right, so
Stop
that was
ES
just a
buy.
little paper trading.
Absorption sellers and
Sorry, I
Q.
couldn't hold that actual trade that I had here on the eval because of the risk management was off. But still, that was the setup right there. Um, the spring that turned into the reversal and actually squeezing and clearing out these stops that's above here, right? So there's a bunch of buy orders right here. Right, definitely people are putting their stops above here. So I'm thinking we'll probably get to yesterday's close, which is 53.7125. All right, y'all. So that was my live trade setup. Sorry I couldn't really keep that trade because of the wrong order that was placed. All right, y'all. Trade safe and stay blessed.